Santa, wait, wait, are you leaving?
I am.
Santa, you can't leave yet. You don't even have your emergency kit.
I have it right here. Look at this, Tika the elf.
Looks light.
My cookies, carrots for the reindeer, of course. I have a jingle bell, and then most importantly, my hot cocoa. I have everything I need here.
No, Santa.
Well, what else do I need?
Listen, Santa, that's not all you need in your emergency kit.
Huh.
First thing you need is a first aid kit. Because remember that year you fell off the ladder? All those scrapes and bruises you had? Just in case you get stuck, here's a can of some lasagna from the Boyardee chef.
My favorite chef.
Okay. Do you really fly through some crazy weather? You want to have your NOAA weather radio. Because last time you got lost and nobody could call Mrs. Claus to help us find you, here's your emergency card with Mrs. Claus's information, so next time we can find you. Also, Santa, you need your emergency drinking water.
For my cocoa.
No, Santa, not for your cocoa, for you to hydrate if you need to.
Thank you, Tika the elf.
Thank our friends at City of Tacoma Emergency Management for making sure we knew exactly what you needed in your preparedness kit.
Thank you, Tacoma Emergency Management. And for more information on how to get your preparedness kits ready, visit the link below.
Well, thank you so much, Santa. I hope you have a safe trip.
I will now. Happy holidays, everybody. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, Santa.